pussy run deep my blood.
What's up, Peace Squad? Welcome back to another one with your boy Tyrus the Kid, by the way. So, what we doing today? So we doing Lil Yachty. My first time doing Lil Yachty. I never done him before. And this video is old. I've been wanting to do this music. I never got to it. Now I have a chance to get to it. I know it's old. I want to play it for myself.
Mom or Dad?
So let's have
Which one of you is gonna drive me?
Okay, it's us. I be falling. I was geeking. I was high as fuck, tweaking. I was tryna strike shit. I was tryna strike shit like a match late night. Yeah, strike like I missed it. Strike like I hit the pin. Strike like I'm not gonna work. Strike. You know that shit on real when you already do. You know that guy ain't sip on drink till it's early. All of this Bottega shit I shopped at Burlington. Drink man had cracked the seal. I begged him to sell it to stars in the roof. This shit ain't nothing. I switched to coupe. Emo bitch, she like to go take shrooms, look like Betty Boop. Shit in me, hop in SRTs and do Fruity Loops. He can't play me bank, I switch out whips like they switch out shoes. Okay, it's us. I be falling, I was geeking. I was high as fuck, tweaking. I was tryna strike shit. I was tryna strike shit like a match late night. Yeah, strike like I missed it. Strike like I hit the pin. Strike like I'm not gonna work. Strike, slide. Shoulder, shoulder. Stack them old hunters, recreate Yoda. I don't put no crushed ice in my soda. Perky got her stuck like a holster. It's a gun in my holster. New Balenciaga in Dover. 220. It's a 4 in my soda. Sit on a Balenciaga Costa. Okay, it's us. I be falling. I was geeking. I was high as fuck, tweaking. I was tryna strike shit. I was tryna strike shit like a match late night. Yeah, strike like I missed it. Strike like I hit the pin. Strike like I'm not gonna work. Strike.
Try my new recipe for Captain Corn Dogs.
Wow.
Captain Corn Dogs? Yeah.
I'll be honest to y'all.
So you called us all here just to try your new
This
Captain
video
Corn
was
Dogs?
so odd.
Yeah.
Why I say it's so odd? Nothing wrong with this video. It's okay. And this is my first time playing his music. But I give this an 8 because I'm not a fan of this. I know he made a new music. I'm gonna check it out today. So one thing caught me off guard. He was sticking his tongue at the lighting. You know that the thing going on. The thing like the match. You set a fire for your blunt. Yeah. He was, and that caught me off guard. Sticking his tongue, looking all crazy. But man, I'm thrown off right now. Like, comment, subscribe.